what is 3D surgical planning, right? 3D surgical planning is basically whenever there's a complex case, a doctor can use these latest technologies to plan the surgeries so that there are no surprises in the OR, right? And so 3D surgical planning is moving us toward a world where every procedure is not just performed, but it is precisely engineered. And with the help of 3D surgical planning, you can actually predict what is going to happen in the OR, and you can take decisions based on that. So how 3D surgical planning has evolved over the years. Okay, so earlier, the first type of surgical planning is when you have a physical X-ray and the doctors are present in one room and they can just look at the X-ray and plan the surgery, right? They can use rulers to mark the angles and plan the surgery accordingly. Now, in this case, when you're planning a surgery on a physical X-ray, the output and the accuracy of the output just depends on, of course, it depends on many factors, but majorly it depends on two factors, which is how good is the image quality and how good is the surgeon's judgment, right? So there are not many things that the output is going to depend on. There are only two factors. Now, the next type of planning is digital planning. Then you have digital X-rays and you have software where on the computer you can measure the angles and you can plan the surgery digitally. So in that case, you are still planning on X-rays. So apart from the factors that were already coming into picture, a new variable, a new factor adds upon, which is, if is the software accurate, is the software calibrated, right? Next type of planning is remote collaborative planning, where the doctors are not present physically in a single location. So a doctor may be present somewhere else. So you are using platforms like Zoom to share the data and plan the surgery virtually together. Now, apart from the variables that were there in the previous types, there is another variable that gets added, which is the communication clear? Is the data sharing quality good? Are we sharing the data through encrypted proper software? Because all this data is patient specific encrypted data, right? So you cannot just share this data on WhatsApp or on any software. It needs to be properly encrypted before you share. So as you can see, as the type of planning evolves, the factors that affect the final output also keep on increasing, right? Another type after that is 3D surgical planning, which we do very often, which is when you have a CT scan or a MRI, you convert that into a 3D model, or you virtually, or you 3D print a model, and then you plan on that model, right? So here, apart from the factors that were there, two new factors add upon that. Is the segmentation accurate? Is the 3D model that you have printed accurate? So all these things affect the final output. Then you have AI assisted virtual surgical planning, wherein AI helps you, plan the entire surgery, and the doctor's inputs are minimal, and AI does most of the work, and the doctor just has to validate. Now, in this case, these software are, of course, made with help of a doctor, but these software are made by data engineers or computer engineers. So in this case, more variables get added, which is the software logic correct? Did the data engineer who made this platform, does he know about medical? Has he made the, proper software? So another variable gets added. Now, the latest type of surgery, which mostly we are talking about here, is AR-based collaborative planning, wherein we have VR headsets, and one doctor may be sitting in India, another in US, another in Belgium, and they can wear those VR headsets and they can actually plan the surgery. They can actually simulate the surgery using augmented reality, right? Now, in this case, apart from all the variables that were there in previous type of planning, three more variables get added, which is the spatial alignment okay? Is the tech reliable? Is the system accurate? So as you can see, as the complexity of our planning system increases, the variables increase. But just because this AR-based planning has so many variables, and this physical X-ray planning only has two variables, is one thing better than the other is the main question, right?